I have another projector thanks to AAXA. This time they sent me their P7 LED projector. It is 1920 by 1080 HD native. It has approximately 30,000 hours of LED life. It also is HDMI, but it has one VGA port, a USB port, and a composite video port. So this is their pocket size. Their other one was also small, but this is meant to be like a more powerful one in a very small body. Now this is more expensive than the first one that I showed. I think it retails for around $369 USD, and for some reason it's so much more expensive for Canadians. Quite a bit heavier. The build quality of this one is definitely better. So here is the front, the sides. This is your focus button right here. You've got your ports for connectivity and some more connectivity as well. Also comes with a remote. Comes with a mini tripod, though honestly this is quite heavy. I really don't think that this is going to support it. So if you have another one, highly recommend to use that. This has 600 lumens. It's got integrated dual speakers. There is a micro SD slot if you want to store any files and videos on here instead of having to keep hooking something up every time. This is my bookshelf behind my desk, and this is the same location that I put the other AAXA projector on last time, and I thought that it worked quite well up here, so I'm going to test it out, and if not then we'll lower it to this one. Oh Jesus. I'm going to pull you in close so you can hear the fan. I know what I should have been doing this weekend. This is really cool. It feels really immersive in here. The sound is actually really loud. I was not expecting it to be that loud at all. This looks so good. Oh my god, I was not expecting it to look this good. Okay, maybe I shouldn't try Dreamlight Valley just because it's nighttime, just from the menu alone. Really nice and clear, not getting any fuzziness around the corners. This is honestly the perfect size for my room, other than the top left corner where I've kind of got a vent. Okay, final impressions. This is really, really good. I did not expect to feel this way about this projector. I don't know why. I think because I've already experienced the previous projector. Not that it was bad or anything, but this one is just a huge improvement and a really noticeable one. If you are in the market right now trying to find a pretty mid-sized, decently affordable, not in like the thousands range of projectors, I think this is a really great option. I will have this link down below if you guys are interested. I'm going to enjoy my night right now.